welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily install and style this very realistic kinky curly easy contour V-part wig. Now, I did a video very similar to this last year, which I'll link down below. With this hair, it is slightly different, so I will explain more in detail during the video. This hair is very beginner friendly, so if you're new to wigs, this tutorial should be very easy for you. I am loving this hair so much. It looks like my natural hair. My natural hair is 3C4A, and you can also be very versatile with this hair, so I'll be showing you guys a few different styles on how to do that. And I want to thank UNice so much for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to see how to install it and style it, then just keep watching. So the hair does come protected in this box, and the hair is disinfected, which I really appreciate. And this is how it looks when you twirl it around 360 before you apply any products in it. But this just shows you how kinky and defined the curls are, which I love. This hair is very unique because it has a seamless hairline, as you can see, with an undetectable finish. Once you turn the wig inside out, you can see that there's a breathable cap that's attached to it. And not only that, they also upgraded their comb grip. As you can see, there's 2 clips in the back that are clips, and the other 2 in the front are combs. You'll be experiencing zero pain with secure hold, no hair pulling, you'll protect your edges, and you'll be comfortable. There's 3 additional combs around the wig as well, so you would have 1 smaller comb on each side, then a bigger one at the bottom. There's an adjustable elastic band that you can also take off if you don't need all of that security, but I prefer to leave mine on. Now this wig is upgraded for a better fit because it comes with an invisible drawstring with the upgraded breathable wig cap, so it could fit 18 between 24 inches, has a snug and secure fit and a custom fit, and it stays in place and is just more stable. For my gift, I received a wig cap and a satin bag just to put my hair in once I'm done wearing it. And this is how my hair currently looks. I did pre-style it for this wig, but I am going to be cleaning it up. This wig, you do not need to leave out, but just for me to have a bit more of a seamless blend, I'm just gonna leave a little bit of leave out. I'm going to be wetting my hair a little bit and going in with some eco gel just to make sure that my part is looking smooth and everything is just not looking too frizzy. For the clips to actually hang onto my hair, I'm just twisting this part of my hair. I don't know how to do cornrows yet, so doing twist on my scalp like that is gonna help the clips actually secure onto my head. And then I'm just styling my baby hairs. Next, I'm just going to be bobby pinning the rest of my hair. Now I'm finally putting on the wig, and that is why I had left the adjustable strap on, because it'll help me put on the wig easier. Then I'm just making sure that around the wig is just secured in with the combs. Now for the V part of the wig, you want to make sure that you start off on one side and you want to start off on the back and move towards the front. Doing it this way just helps me make sure that the hair wouldn't look uneven, or it will be super tight on one side and loose on the other side. And they're super easy to clip and unclip. I'm gonna fully secure the wig, and I'm going to be adjusting the wig cap to my head size. All I'm doing is pulling the drawstring and securing it with the button. It's super fast, it's super easy, it takes minimal effort, and for the rest of the string, you just tuck it in underneath the hair. And this is how the hair looks again with no product, and you can literally just wear it like this with adding no product and it will still look really good. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can style this hair and what products that I'm going to be using. I love how easy and simple this hair is, and you can still be very versatile with this hair. Since this wig looks super realistic, I'm going to treat this hair like it's my own hair. So I'm going in with my Rizos Curls Curl Defining Cream. This is going to help the curls still stay moisturized while still being defined. This is 100% human hair, so the products that I'll be using will still work the same. And I'm just combing the hair just to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. All of the products that I'm using in this video, including this gorgeous wig, will be linked down below. This is how the curls look once it's detangled, damp, and separated, and once it's dry, it adds more volume. I'm gonna be styling my hair in a middle part, but you do have the option to do a side part with this type of wig, but a middle part is always my go-to. So leaving some leave out with the hair just makes it blend more effortlessly. I'm gonna be adding gel just to make sure that my natural curls and the curls on this hair blend more seamlessly. This is the first hairstyle that I want to show you guys. I'm just putting 2 pieces in the front, putting my hair up in a hair clip, and as you can see at the bottom, you can't even tell that I'm wearing a wig. It looks like it's my natural hair. You could also do this style while the hair was dry, but I just really want to show you guys the length of this hair because it is 24 inches. And like I said, you can be very versatile with this hair. The next hairstyle is also super easy. I'm just wearing it down this time, and I'm clipping the 2 pieces that were in the front towards the back, and I'm just fixing my baby hairs again. This is how the second hairstyle looks. Okay, now so for the third or floofy hairstyle that I'm going for, which is usually my go-to natural hairstyle whenever I am doing my natural hair, I'm gonna be adding some layers onto this hair because my natural hair has layers and I really want this hair to have layers, but I'm not gonna be doing anything too crazy, just adding layers for more volume. You guys can follow these clips that I'm showing you on how I do that. Just make sure when you're cutting, start from the bottom, like start very low, but don't cut too high because the curls are kinky, so you don't want the curls in the front to be too short. Do both sides at the same time to make sure that both sides are even. I'm going back in with the curl cream just to make sure that everything is blended in and moisturized since I had just trimmed the hair and added layers. I'm also using this brush again to blend my natural hair with the wig, and you can tell when I do that, it now literally looks like it's attached to my head. Then I'm just diffusing my hair, which I usually do with my natural hair anyway, but I'm just showing you guys how I would do that. I couldn't really show you guys on camera like that because an outlet wasn't near me, so I had to do it off camera. Now I'm just doing the other side, doing the exact same steps, blending my leave out into the hair using this brush, and I'll definitely link this brush because it really helps with the definition a lot. This is how much hair that was cut off, but as you can see, the hair still looks and is very full. Right now, I'm just floofing it out and picking it out. Lastly, I'm going in with my Garnier Fructis Curl Multi-Use Oil just to add towards the end of my hair and just pretty much all around my hair. I really want my hair to look shiny, and like I said, I'm treating this hair like it's my own hair, so pretty much I do this step last with my natural hair. Now I'm showing you guys a quick shake test just to show you that this hair is secured with no glue, with no tape, with no spray, just the small clips, Invisi strap, and an adjustable band. And this is by far one of my favorite wigs that I own now. It will protect your natural hair, it's affordable and reusable, it's effortless and comfortable, and you can style this many different types of ways. It has a seamless hairline and a natural nape. UNice also gave me a coupon code that you can use. I'll have it linked below, but if you guys want to know my final thoughts and opinions, stay towards the end of this video. Okay, you guys, what do you think about this hair? Would you try this hair out? Like, let me know the deets down below. If you guys stayed here towards the end of this video, let's comment a Let's just comment another heart emoji. I will have this exact wig linked below, including all of the products that I had used. I'm seriously in love with this hair, like a lot. It literally looks like my natural hair, but with this hair I just have more of it, you know. And I really love the way that I cut this hair. And I'm not an expert on cutting hair. Like, yes, I have videos of me cutting my own hair, but doing it the way that I did, it's not that bad, and I definitely recommend you guys to try that. It's just the way that I envisioned it, and look, like, it turned out really good. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the Harmony, because we are almost at 70,000 subscribers, aka Harmonies, because you guys are my Harmonies. Symphony, Harmony, we just go together, we just flow together, and that's how it is. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I will see you guys in my next video.